Hi everyone, welcome to Glittery Tales. This is Amika. In today's bridal eye makeup tutorial, I am going to show this beautiful defined cut crease using neutral shades so you can wear this with any color outfit. To know how I created this look, keep watch the video till end and subscribe Glittery Tales. So without further ado, let's begin. We'll be going step by step. First, I am adding some sticky tape to the corner of the eye that will lead up and make it easier to get the sharp end. Using concealer from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 20 Sand as the base for the eyeshadow, and it helps to reduce the discoloration of the eye as well. And setting the concealer with a translucent powder. Using this light shade from the Sugar Highlighter palette and applying it on the highest point of my eyebrows, it's kind of lifts the eyebrows and gives a defined arch. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Remastered Eyeshadow Palette, one of my favorite palette on the brides. It's very pigmented and blends like a dream. Going with this brown eyeshadow named Sandalwood, and this is going to be my transition shade, blending with a fluffy blending brush on the crease line. Now taking this shade named Rescue and apply it on the crease line with very light hand. Increasing the intensity with this beautiful shade named Maneater and blending the colors well to make the look radiant and smooth. Now using some black eyeshadow from the palette and going to deepen the outer corner. All I am doing here is following the path of the sticky tape. That's going to do the majority of the work for me, and then I am pushing some colors towards the lid. Now time for cut the crease. For that I am using the same concealer we have used before from the Maybelline Fit Me one. This is in the shade 20 Sand. While the concealer is still tacky, going to set with this beautiful metallic shade from the palette, and I am using a flat definer brush for that. Going to use some glitter today. For that I am using Beauty Glaze Press Glitter palette and using this light silver gold shade and patting it on the center of the eye. For the liner today I am using gel liner, and this is from In Color Cosmetic in black. Starting from the inner corner and slowly dragging to the outer corner. Overdrawing with gel liner on the outer V area where we have drawn with black shadow to give more depth and definition. Tight lining the waterline with sugar coal pencil in black. Then I am going to thicken my lower lash line with black eyeshadow. And then to soften it a bit, going to use this shade we have used before on the crease line. To prep the lashes for the falsies, applying a coat of mascara from MAC. For the lashes, I am using Mink lashes from PAC in the size M72. And here is the completed look. If you are going to recreate this look, you can tag me. My socials are listed below in the description box, and all the product I have used in the video, you can find the list along with the shade names in the description box. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe if you are new here, and press the bell button for the new updates. So see you soon with a brand new one. Till then, stay glittery. Bye bye.